Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Paybis. So in order to do that, first of all, come here on paybis.com. Afterwards, you just have to simply select the option of login on the top right hand corner of the screen in order to basically log in into your account. Now, when you log in into your account, you just have to click on the option of buy. Over here, you are going to see the option of use spend. So over here, click on this drop down menu. Then you just have to simply select your currency. Now over here, after selecting your currency, you need to also select any of these payment methods that basically you are going to use in order to buy crypto over here. So let's say you have selected the option of Neteller. After selecting this option, if there is any promo code that you have or the discount code that you have, you can paste it over here. Then you just have to enter the amount of USD that you want to basically use in order to purchase your crypto. Now over here, you need to also select what cryptocurrency you are going to purchase here. So by default, Bitcoin will be selected, but you can click on this drop down menu, and among the given options, you can just simply select any of these available cryptocurrencies. So these are the most popular cryptocurrencies. So for example, let's say you want to purchase Solana with 100 USD. So it is going to look something like this. Now over here, you just have to do nothing but to just simply select the option of buy Solana or buy, and then you just have to basically make the payment with the help of the payment method that you have selected. Now as soon as you make the payment, you are going to purchase the crypto on Paybis. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.